Top 10 health benefits of hemp seed that you need to know. Anti-inflammatory properties, fights menopause, helps digestive and skin problems, even aids brain function and mental health. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on 10 health benefits of hemp seed that you need to know. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. Please remember to turn notifications on for more healthy lifestyle content such as today's video. The truth is that hemp seeds contain little to no THC, thus making it an ideal addition to a healthy diet. The product of the plant can be used in many ways such as oil extract, consuming foods with hemp seed and many more. Being one of the most nutritious seeds, the products of the hemp plant have powerful medicinal properties and health benefits that will improve your mental and physical health. Let's begin. Reduce risk of heart disease. One of the health benefits of hemp seed is that it can reduce the risk of various heart diseases. Hemp seeds can reduce blood pressure as they are rich in amino acid arginine that helps the vascular elasticity and strength, leading to a healthier heart. The anti-inflammatory properties in hemp seed can reduce the speed with which the heart worsens and reducing the chances of cardiac arrest. Improve skin health. The anti-inflammatory functions of hemp seed can improve skin problems such as acne and eczema. The omega-6 and omega-3 acids can stimulate skin health and alleviate the discomfort of eczema. Applying hemp seed oil can improve the elasticity and moisture of dry skin, reduce itchiness, and diminish the formation of new blemishes. With consistent use of hemp seed, your skin can become healthy, radiant, and less prone to bacterial infections. Reduce menopause effects. Consuming hemp seeds can reduce the effects associated with women going into menopause. The high levels of gamma-linolenic acid and anti-inflammatory properties can regulate the imbalance in hormones that are related to menopause symptoms and reduce the intensity of nuisances, hot waves, and depressive episodes. Help digestive functions. Another health benefit of hemp seed is that it can aid digestion and relieve discomfort in your stomach. High in fiber foods promote gut health and are an essential component for a healthy diet. The fibers in the outer shell of the seed can be also used by those suffering from constipation or irregular bowel movement. This is due to the fact that hemp seed is packed with soluble and insoluble fibers that serve as a great natural releaser and improve the health of your digestive organs. Improve brain functionality. Hemp seed is considered to be extremely beneficial for brain function. Hemp seed can improve your mood, energy levels, and memory. It also serves as an antidepressant and decreases your anxiety levels. The magnesium and amino acids in hemp seed can stabilize your mind and keep you focused. Furthermore, omega-3 and omega-6 acids in hemp can prevent brain weakening as you grow old. Can reduce inflammation. Hemp seed products can be used as a powerful anti-inflammatory. Some of the ingredients in the hemp plant are the gamma-linolenic acids, which are famous for their anti-inflammatory properties. Hemp seed can ease arthritis, scoliosis, and other inflammatory disorders. People that suffer from inflammatory diseases can incorporate the many health benefits of hemp seed in their daily life. Serve as pain relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids, combined with the ability to reduce anxiety, hemp seed can be used as a natural pain reliever. When consumed or applied, it can slow down the pain receptors and alleviate chronic pain such as arthritis, joint inflammation, osteoarthritis, and other health problems. Help pregnancy. Hemp seed can be used as a supplement during pregnancy, nourishing your body with foods that contain omega-3 fatty acids, such as those in hemp seed, are an essential part of any pregnancy. The omega-3 acids can protect and aid the development of the brain and retina of the baby. The antidepressive effects of hemp seed can also prevent depression that many new mothers have after giving birth. As we all know, pregnancies can be extremely stressful. Thus, hemp seeds can also serve as a natural anxiety reliever. Furthermore, the many minerals and vitamins that are contained in the plant are essential nutrients for a healthy pregnancy. Alleviate liver diseases. From a study researching the effects of hemp seed on fatty liver disease, it was proven that using hemp seed can alleviate the conditions. One of the reasons for fatty liver disease is caused by oxidative stress, inflammation, and lifestyle factors. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant functions of hemp can ease the irregular lipid metabolism and improve the process of breaking down fats. Can improve your mood. There are many psychological benefits of using hemp seed. Hemp seed can improve your mood and anxiety levels. The small amounts of cannabis found in the plant can boost your mood, relax, and reduce anxiety. In general, the antidepressant effects can also make you happier, calmer, and lift your spirits. You can clearly see the health benefits that hemp seeds can have over your body. The powerful anti-inflammatory properties combined with the mental stimulants of the hemp seed can have a positive impact on your life. We remind you to consult a nutritionist or doctor when using anything new in your diet. This is Superfoods, and we thank you for watching our video on 10 health benefits of hemp seed that you need to know, and also invite you to subscribe to our channel and share your experience in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about other amazing superfoods, make sure to take a look around our Superfoods channel for some amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like if you enjoyed it, share with friends, and subscribe for more healthy content. And as always, thanks for watching.